Hi guys, welcome to Web Detective. So today's tutorial is about how to extrude in Blender. So we'll be also creating this basic shape or keyboard using only extrude tools. So we have to first we will move this and apply transform. Okay, so this is our object. We will go to edit mode and we will add some loop cuts if we don't have, right? So this is our shape, right? So if you want to extrude it, go to extrude region or press simply E. So for example, if I want to extrude only these two faces, so I will press E and it will automatically extrude on z-axis. And if I want to extrude these two parts, I will press E, it will automatically extrude. So for example, another use of the extrude tool is if I want to extrude all those faces, but not just as one object, one face, but each face extrude different separately. To, 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 to do that, I will press I twice. So now as you can see, each face is separated. Now if I press E, it will gives us the extrude tool effect. But if I press G, I can also move it on x-axis. So we have this key effect, I would say, that we will be using on keyboard. So now let's delete this and make a basic shape for a keyboard. So I will add a mesh that is cube, and now I will just move it down and increase it on y-axis, and also I will apply all the transform, and I will press tab and add some loop cuts. I'm just making some random loop cuts. Now that I have selected these, I will just deselect some random shapes. Like now I will press I and grab and z-axis. I'm just making some basic selections. Yeah. Just to make it a look for a keyboard. Okay, now I'll press I, grab it and move it z-axis. want all these to be, yeah, first of all I will just press I and I again, extrude them on the axis. So now as you can see, I'll just uh, made those both keyboards just using an extrude tool. So you can make any shape using this tool, even your whole model. So that's it for the video, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I will answer them in the next video. And thanks for watching. See you till next time.